Hi, this is e-bike advice, and this is the walk around review for the LifeCycle Pedal Assist 2019 electric bicycle. We're always interested in reviewing cost-effective e-bikes, recently released models that retail for under $2,000. This LifeCycle Pedal Assist sells for $1,999, so let's see if you get what you pay for. With the popularity of e-bikes increasing along with expanding cycle path infrastructure in neighbourhoods and CBD areas, cost-effective versions of electric bikes are coming on the market, whereupon well-known retailers are selling boxed-up e-bikes for you to take home and build yourself. Some say that they are cheap and cheerful, and others say that the electric bicycle is becoming accessible for regular people from a cost perspective. The supermarket chain Aldi recently released a foldable electric bike in a box, and now electronics and audio-visual retailer HiFi are exclusively selling this LifeCycle e-bike. Bit of background, LifeCycle is powered by Australia's leading portable power brand, Signet. Quote, established in 2003 from a small warehouse in Melbourne, Signet launched an accessory range to complement the takeoff of the very first Apple iPod. 15 years later, Signet is in the forefront of portable power, unquote. At the moment, this e-bike is available from HiFi stores. You go to the store, you collect it in a large box and take it home in the back of your van or your four-wheel drive. Now, if you don't have a van or a four-wheel drive, then you may need to have it delivered to your home. There's a how to put together and build it video on lifecycle.com.au website, and also they have an assembly service via a bike shop to construct it for you, which costs extra. Okay, let's take it for a test ride and see how it compares to other brands and models currently available in the local market. The battery is a Samsung 36 volt 6.6 amp hour lithium-ion, and it's incorporated into the down tube of the frame, and it has a bit of a futuristic look. The roaming range of the battery is 30 to 45 kilometers, and that's based on a rider that's about 75 kgs, but range is dependent on hills and valleys, headwinds, terrain, tyre pressure and the style of riding, as well as body weight. We're used to batteries that are 10 amp hours or more, so this is the smallest capacity battery we've ever test ridden, so that's something to consider. Gears are Shimano Altus group set. Your left shifter will be labelled 1, 2, 3 and your right shifter will show 1 to 7. This means that for each number on your left you get 7 different speeds on the right for a total of 21. If you're someone that likes to adjust your gears a lot, then fine. If you want to find the right settings for you, then you have many choices. The brakes are no-name mechanical disc brakes, front and back, and there are two types of disc brakes, hydraulic and mechanical. This brand has mechanical brakes, which are a cable pull system, like rim brakes, just arranged in a different way with the force from the lever to the caliper. The front fork is a Mozo hydraulic suspension with lockout. Many folks have a stanchion top lever to lock out the fork, which eliminates the travel. This minimises your energy loss when riding paved surfaces or along uphill climbs on smoother dirt surfaces. Saddle and seat posts. The saddle has a centre relief concave, which is nice and it makes the ride a little comfier. And the seat post has no suspension, but at least it has a quick release to adjust the seat height. Carrier, there is no carrier, so no rack at the back to attach a saddlebag to carry a few items. If you're an urban CBD commuter, you may want to have a back carry fitted at extra cost. Fenders, there are no mudguards, so you have no water spray protection in the rain. We would have liked to have seen a chain guard as well, something the manufacturers should think about for future releases. Lock, there's no inbuilt lock supplied with the e-bike. An inbuilt C-lock as part of the e-bike should be considered as standard. Frame, aluminium alloy, and the whole bike weighs about 23 kilos. Crank pedal versus kickstand. The crank pedal does not clash with the kickstand. Good to have if you're whizzing around your inner city wanting to stand it up outside shops for a brief time. Handlebars, adjustable with comfortable hand grips, accommodating gear shifters and brake levers. Display panel. Full colour LCD showing speedometer, assist level, battery indicator, power display in watts, distance travelled, and clock giving you the time of day, believe it or not. Lights. This brand has no integrated lights. All e-bikes should come with inclusive front and back lights, not only from a daytime safety perspective, but also from a darker evening commute from work to home point of view. Cables, reasonably tidy and chunky. Warranty, there's it's 1 year on all parts. As the brand is available in a box from HiFi, the question, where do I take it when it's still under warranty for servicing, comes up. Because HiFi are an electronics and audio-visual retailer, Signet have a list of various bicycle shops which are listed on the lifecycle.com.au website. So in summary, it's under $2,000, that being $1,999. It weighs approximately 23 kilos. The battery is built into the front down tube with a 30 to 45 kilometre range, 250 watt back hub motor with 5 levels of assistance, 21 gears for adjustable hill climbs, mechanical disc brakes front and back, comfortable saddle with quick release seat post, well situated colour display panel, and a 1-year warranty on everything. To keep costs down, Signet have excluded a few basics. The LifeCycle Pedal Assist 2019 looks urban and offers the bare minimum. Our test rides show that the e-bike is okay to ride and has competent hill climbing abilities. The whole e-bike feels okay for something basic and cost effective in which you just want to scoot around your neighbourhood on. At $1,999, as is, you get what you pay for. That's the LifeCycle Pedal Assist 2019. At the moment, the local brand is only available at JB HiFi in a box for you to take home and assemble yourself. So just follow the video instructions, which are listed in the description below. Or a bike shop can construct it for you if you want. That's extra, and those bike stores are listed on the website. So always test ride an e-bike before you consider buying it. Ask them if you can test it for a day or a weekend to really get familiar with its strengths, weaknesses, advantages and benefits. If you found this review useful, share it with a friend, hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Then you'll know when we upload another video. Thanks for supporting ebikeadvice.com.